Question. Let f be defined and continuous on a minus h, closed interval a minus h to open interval a plus h, and derivable 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 on open interval a minus h to a plus h. Prove that for theta belonging to 0 and 1, f of a plus h minus f of a minus h is equal to h f dash a plus theta h plus f dash a minus theta h. Wait a minute. Let's rewrite it again. This is f a plus h minus f a minus h is equal to h f dash a plus theta h plus f dash a minus theta h. Now this is the thing. Now you need to define the function phi x. Let us consider a function phi x f a plus hx and minus f a minus hx. Now, how to select this function? See, how to select this function? See, when you differentiate, you see this concept. You see this concept, a plus h and a minus h. This is the way. See, and this phi x is in this. Is defined, this phi x is selected in such a manner that this when x equal to 0, when phi x is selected in such a manner, ऐसा अगर select करते हैं, x equal to 1, it should give me this condition. See, put x equal to 1 here, put x equal to 1, it will give me this condition. When I put x equal to 0, the phi of 0 will be, this will be f of a minus f of a, so this is 0. So phi of 0 does not there is no phi of 0. ध्यान से देखो कैसे करना है. How to do it? See it. Thus fx is selected in such a manner that when you put x equal to 1, it will give me this and it will give me this. So you have to take this minus with this and this. When I put x equal to 1, I will get this. When I put x equal to 0, it will give me 0 because of this. This is the way you need to select the function. Function कैसे select करना है? इसको देखो, ये वाला term को देखो. एक मिनट, ये जस्ट अ मिनट, ये वाला टर्म्स को देखो, फिर से देखो. You have to select phi x in such a manner that this condition is satisfied at x0 and at x equal to 1. At x0 and x equal to 1. See, now when I put x equal to 1, this phi of 1 will give me phi of a plus h minus phi of a minus h, which is basically this. And x equal to 0, phi of 0 will give me f of a minus f of a, and that is 0, and this is fine. That's why I have selected this function in this manner. Now see this thing, that phi of 0, so x, when x belongs to 0 comma 1, then a plus hx varies on a comma a plus h, and a minus hx varies on a minus h comma a. Put x equal to 0, put x equal to 0, you will get this and this. Put x equal to 1, you will get this and this. This is the way. Now this Now this function is continuous and derivable. So that means this function phi x is sum of two, the sum of two, this is sum of difference of two continuous function is continuous, and sum of two differentiable function is also, and sum of difference of differentiable function is also differentiable. So this function phi x is continuous as well as differentiable on this interval 0 1. Now phi x is continuous on 0 1, and phi x is derivable on open interval 0 1. Now there exists a theta lying between 0 and 1 such that phi dash theta is equal to phi of 1 minus phi of 0 over 1 minus 0. See, now most of you would say theta is between 0 and 1, then this should be theta x and all that. No, that's not the thing. It is behaving like some say the interval is, this is like behaving like C. That is phi dash of C is between phi of B minus phi of A upon B minus A. this is not, you did not write theta x. यहाँ पे theta x लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, जैसे पहले हम लोग लिखते थे phi theta x is phi of A plus H and A phi of A. यहाँ पे इंटरवल A और A प्लस H नहीं है, यहाँ पे इंटरवल है A और B. इसीलिए this theta is behaving like this C. This theta is not behaving like the, though it is between 0 and 1 undoubtedly, but it is not behaving like that C. It's not behaving like that theta x is between that. It is in not between the interval यहाँ पे A और A plus H नहीं है, ये 0 और 1 है. इसीलिए ये जो है ये थीटा C की तरह काम कर रहा है, ना कि that way. So you need to write phi dash C, this formula I'm using. So now what is phi of phi dash theta? What is phi of x? What is phi of x? Let's write down phi of x first. What is phi of x? Phi of x is f a plus hx and minus f a minus hx. Now phi dash x is f a plus hx. Now this will now be differentiated into h minus f a minus f dash this, and then you differentiate this, you get minus h. So phi dash x, you take x common, h common, so f a f dash a plus hx minus, and this minus will become plus f dash a plus hx. Now you need phi of 1. You need phi of 1. Phi of 1 is nothing but f a plus h, put x equal to 1, minus f a minus h. Now phi of 0 is equal to f a minus f a, and this is nothing but 0. So now put the values, this one, and with theta, this one here. Now phi dash of theta x is, use this, h f dash a plus theta h plus f dash, wait a minute, I made a mistake here, wait a minute, this is minus f dash a minus theta h bracket h taken common is equal to phi of 1. What is phi of 1? Phi of 1 is this whole thing, f a plus h minus f a minus h, and phi of 0 minus phi of 0, there is no need to write 0. उसमें पीछे 0 minus 0 लिखने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. So there is no use writing minus 0. So you leave it. So this is how it has been proved. This has been proved here. Now the similar, another question, but with a little bit of change. You will see the same question I'll take. I'll take this same question, but now there will be a change in this this format here. We will change something here. Now the same question I'll take again. Now see, if I take the same question f is defined and continuous on a minus h to a plus h, sorry, closed interval, and derivable on open interval a minus h to a plus h, and there exists, prove that for theta between 0 to 1, 0 to 1, f f a plus h, f a plus h minus 2 f a, now plus f a minus h is equal to h f dash a plus theta h minus f dash a minus theta h. This thing need to be proved. Now see one thing. Now in this case, this is somewhat like that only, but there is extra is this. The extra is this and there is a change. There was a plus here, and now here it is a minus. Here it is a minus, there was a plus. So the formula for this, phi x for this, needs to be defined like this. See, f of a plus hx, now you take plus f of a minus hx. Now why? You see, at phi of 0, you will get f of a plus f of a, which is 2f of a, which is this part. And phi of 1, if you take, this will be f a plus h, f a plus h plus f a minus h, which is this part and this part. ये वाला पार्ट ऐसे करके सिलेक्ट किया जाता है. एंड इफ यू डिफरेंशिएट इट, there will be a minus here. This will be here, यहाँ पे minus आ जाएगा. There will be a minus will come here because of the differentiation of this whole function. Now you see, now for x belonging to the same language 0 to 1, a plus hx varies on your a and a plus h, and a minus hx varies on a minus h and a. So this 0 to 1 covers this both intervals because of this two. ये 0 1 दोनों को कवर कर लेता है. अब now phi of x is nothing but f a plus hx plus f a minus hx. Already I have found out a phi of 0. Phi of 0 was 2fa. पहले मैं ऑलरेडी निकाल चुका हूं. ऊपर ये देखो, this phi of 0 is 2fa and phi of 1 I have found out. So just copy them. Phi of 1 is f a plus h plus f a minus h. Now phi dash x is f dash a plus hx, and then differentiate this much part into x. Now differentiate plus f dash a minus hx. Now differentiate this much minus h. So phi dash x is equal to f dash, you take h common, f dash a plus hx minus f dash a minus hx. This is done. Now for this function phi x is continuous on 0 1. Phi x is derivable on 0 1, such that there exists a theta belonging to 0 1, such that f phi dash theta is equal to phi of 1 minus phi of 0 upon 1 minus 0. So this is nothing but phi dash theta is phi of 1 minus phi of 0. Now phi of 1 you already know. Phi of 1 तो मालूम है क्या है. Phi of 1 रहा. Where is phi of 1? This is the phi of 1. This is phi of 1. Just write phi of 1. And phi dash theta is h bracket f dash a plus theta h minus f dash a minus theta h, and you have phi of 1 is f a plus h plus f a minus h, and phi of 0 is how much? Phi of 0 is this. 50 is this 2fa. 50 is 2fa. So minus 2fa. So f of a plus h minus 2fa plus f of a minus h is equal to h f dash a plus theta h minus f dash a minus theta h.